हमारा खेत था तो जाते थे, दोस्तों के साथ खेलते थे और वहाँ पे सारा मजा आता था। फिर नदी आ गई तो काट लिया।
घाघरा नदी सारे काट लिया। गांव को कोई सूचना मिलती ही नहीं है। अगर कोई सूचना मिलती तो हम लोग को मदद मिलते, कोई मदद नहीं है हमारे लोगों की।
Aid agencies are struggling to get help to millions of people affected by devastating floods across South Asia. It's thought to be the worst monsoon.
Thousands of troops have already been pressed into action, and more
It was extremely frightening because we had no warning. The highest rainfall this season, but this year it has been exceptional.
One of the most important variables during a crisis is reliable information. There's so much work that's already been done by governments, by the UN and NGOs, and we're trying to learn from that work, build on that, and assist them with their goals. In India, where we're running our first pilot program, the government has thousands of people who are measuring the water level in rivers across India with what is effectively very long measuring sticks, which are called stream gauges, every hour, which allows them to know whether the river will overflow and flood, but it doesn't yet allow them to understand exactly what areas are going to be affected, what neighborhoods, or even what villages.
Any station calling? Any station?
चेतावनी में तहसील से साहब मिलती है, अधिकारी जो हमारे होते हैं कर्मचारी, वो हमें सभी सतर्क कर देते हैं कि बाढ़ आने वाली, आप लोग ऊँचे आ जाइए। नहीं, नुकसान सब उससे पहले पता चल जाएगा।
The response time is most crucial thing. Reducing the response time always plays very important and vital role in the whole disaster management framework. Advancement in technology would help us better in spreading this message faster.
Flood forecasting was a very exploratory project. The big technical question was, can we have enough information to try to do forecasting that would be accurate enough to make a difference? Starting with the basic needs for getting information about what's going on, where is it happening, what should I be doing?
To be able to provide a forecast in real time, we rely on the government we're working with. We complement their effort by adding accurate modeling to that process. We start by collecting thousands of satellite images to build a digital model of the terrain. Based on these maps, we generate hundreds of thousands of simulations of how the river could possibly behave. We receive the measurements from the government and cross those measurements with our simulations. We can then send those forecasts to individuals using search, maps, and Android notifications. This is an example of an alert that we can produce. This alert is for Patna. This alert has over 90% accuracy. The lead time is incredibly important, even more than the specifics.
Any information we can give, they will use.
You want to show them the alert? Talking to people who directly experience severe floods and understanding what they really need is incredibly important for us to know how we can really help.
This is an opportunity to collaborate in a global scale. We are in very exciting time to use technology to try to make a difference.
I can't imagine a greater privilege than to do what we love and do it in a way that could actually help people directly in a very profound way.
Our hope for the future is to give people a few more days of warning before a flood occurs, and to use AI to scale this and provide these forecasts anywhere in the world, wherever people need them.